everybody. It's Ruthie Rocks, and I'm trying to figure why my audio is not working. Is it working now? No, it's still echoing. Hold on. So, what do I do? Hey, Greeley, I see you. Hold on. I don't know if everybody can hear the echo. Karen, can you hear the echo or just me? Let's see. Now, no, still here. Hold on. How about now? Okay, I'm sorry for echoing. I have to figure that out. Always technical stuff. Microphone is that. Okay, buddy. I hope it's okay now. I can just hear myself twice, which tells me something might be wrong. So, Karen, what about it? Can you hear me twice? Is it an echo today? Got everything set up. I don't know why it's not working. Audio settings should be there. Darn. Uh, Hi, everybody. Well, I'm going to get started, even though there seems to be an echo. I can't figure out why. Uh, Darn it. Okay. Well, here we go. It's Tuesday, and I think we're well into our shutdown. Audio's good. Thank you, Erin. Appreciate it. I wanted Karen and I wanted um, Erin to join me today. Jimmy Degg has a class that he's giving, so he couldn't be on. So let's just run down some topics and try to share some good information out here. The moon. Tonight there's going to be an epic big supermoon. And my friend Pinky, who is over here to the right of the screen, she sent me a picture that she found on Google of a big super big moon, I guess when it was the last time they had one. So anyway, the point is just something to share out there with everybody. You can go ahead and get the picture and just boost it out there to your sphere of influence and just tell everybody, hey, look for the moon tonight. It's supposed to be an epic moon for 2020. Um, just a little tidbit to share out there that's totally unrelated to anything. Um, the other thing I wanted to tell everybody is that the IRS is now letting you follow online where your check may be. So if I believe it's irs.gov. When I listened to it, I was in a hurry to do some other things, and I didn't quite catch where you go, but I'm sure it's irs.gov. So if you're looking for that check, remember they're giving everybody a check. So you can go online and make sure that you get your check or where it is. And if it isn't there, perhaps you need to give the information, some information to the IRS. And you have to file your taxes, I think, for 2018. I don't think they're requiring the 2019 tax return to be filed until July. So if you filed 2018, they should have your information and get you your check. Number 3 today is the Sisolak report in today's newspaper apologized for the problem people are having getting their number 3 today is the Sisolak report in today's newspaper apologized for the problem people are having. Amazing. I have a new phone and it's driving me crazy. Anyway, Sisolak today goes, stay patient, stay patient. So yesterday, Jimmy and I talked about the 1099 people, independent contractors. You can also file for unemployment, and we just really think that you should do that. There's no downside to this. If you're an independent contractor and the government has given $2 trillion, you know, that's 1 trillion is a billion billion. So that's 2 million billions of dollars to help us through this pandemic. Uh, and the worst thing about this pandemic is we don't know when it's going to end. And I think that's what my thing is, that you should go ahead and take advantage of what the government's giving you. The money will run out, so I just don't want everybody to delay. Um, Syslex says right now that they are unequipped to handle all the requests that they are getting. More than 164,000 Nevadans have filed for unemployment in the last 2 weeks of March. 164,000 people filed and are getting payments, and they've extended the payments, I believe, 13 weeks. You get it for 4 months, and they're extending it for another 3 months. So basically, most of the year. And we don't know what's going to happen here. I mean, we've seen, some encouraging things going on with people taking listings. My partner in Taylor, he's took a listing Sunday, he took a listing yesterday. I'm sure he's going to take a listing today. My friend Erin Mills is out there on an appointment. Karen Cachero, she's on an appointment. So I know things are happening out there. And keeping positive uh, is a test of endurance, in my opinion. On a given day, it's easy to be positive, but to continue to be positive is absolutely, uh, it will build our character. I always tell everybody, diamonds are pieces of coal under pressure. So that's where we are, right? We're under pressure, but keep a smile on your face and a song in your heart, as they say. And I want to help people as much as I can. I know that the construction industry is still going on. Just like I said, that's fine. They did have a couple people that work for the rural resorts test positive on the coronavirus, but they said in the newspaper today that they're still going to continue with their construction, and we know the stadium's still going up. There's lots of rumors going around, and I have a friend, investor friend who's also a broker from California that is going to be on our show tomorrow, and he's going to share with us some of the quote unquote negative comments, stories, rumors he's hearing. He's most concerned because he has all of his investments in real estate in Las Vegas. So it'll be, uh, I think it'll be very interesting to hear his perspective. And I caution you, it may not be all positive. He's a very bright, pragmatic human being. We've known, his name is Steve. We've known Steve since 1990, early 1990s, when he invested in an apartment building here in Vegas. So he's a brilliant realtor, um, and I think you're going to find it very interesting. Eric, uh, I'm using um, I'm actually using BeLive, Eric. Since asking a question here, I'm using BeLive, Eric, and I'm actually going to be doing a class, a Zoom class, on how to use BeLive, and that'll be scheduled sometime this week. Yesterday, we set up our training center to be a studio so that we can Zoom our classes, and that was actually the next topic, Eric, segueing into that. Uh, if you go to bpe.vegas and sign up for next week's Investor Talk Investor class, it will be through Zoom, and you get 3 CE credits. Uh, we have set it up so that you can tell who is participating. So there are some things my audio is cutting out. Well, I appreciate that. Let's see, because I know something's wrong. Uh, Let me see if I can try it again. Sorry, everybody. Okay, it says it's okay, but I don't. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Karen always said it again. Well, let me try this. Hopefully it gets better. I may have to go to a different microphone. Any better? Is it any better? I can feel that the connection isn't solid. Maybe if I did. Somebody give me a shout out. Is it better now? Because I can hold it. Okay. Well, I'll keep talking. Let me know. Um, so anyway, we're going to do the Zoom. I will put that up. I will tell you that the replay of this will show, uh, will caption it so that you can see what I'm saying. I don't know what no means, Lynette. Does that mean it's still cutting out or is it okay? I know, it's like texting. So anyway, the classes, you'll get your CE credits, and this is an investor class. And when you sign up, we will send you the materials, and then we will see you on our screen so that we know you're there. You have to report to the division that you are actually there and participating. There are breaks. We give you some breaks, and the breaks are 3 to 5 minutes, and then you have to say that you're back again. We have ways to monitor that with the level of steam that we purchased for our class. Still cutting in that. So I know something's wrong. I can hear myself talk. So let me go to. So now I'm just on. Geez Louise. I don't know what happened today. Everybody hear me? I'm just using my microphone from my computer versus, okay, yeah. Listen, everybody, the audio is bad. I guess we will uh, continue. Let's see. Karen's not good. Okay. Well, y'all have a great day. Just sign up for your, go to iris.gov, see if you're getting a check, sign up for employment. Yes, it's going to take some challenge. Their website's not equipped. And sign up for the classes. Maybe I'll try this later today, but I'll post it back and put some audio. I know I'm trying trying to learn how to do this. This is the first one, and I have had one. So there you go. Technology. I love you guys. We're going to do, wanted to get into the virtual real estate agent, but we'll do that another time. Sorry, everybody. You all have a great day, and I'll fix my audio, and we'll be back tomorrow at 9 o'clock. And like I said, we have an interesting guest, so hopefully everybody can stay tuned in the morning, and I'll have the audio by then. I love you guys. Stay